Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own Deriv third-party app, just like this one you are seeing here, guys. So this is my one of my app, and you can see that you have many things, guys. And I'm going to show you how you can do it on just by following steps, guys. So you can see that this app contains many things, guys. Analysis, you have a D trader, you have a smart analysis, you have a many things, guys, inside, and smart analysis, signal, all those stuff, scanner. So all these things are just built by coding, guys. And I am going to, if you go to my my GitHub, let me go to my GitHub. This is my GitHub account, guys. And I don't want you guys to come and hack this account. Somebody forked this account, and it was public before, so you can see the name here, and I made it private, guys. So in case you need this bot, you need this source code, you can actually reach me. So if you look at here on my GitHub account, you can see that I have many repository here. I am also a developer, guys, and you can see that I've been working on many things, guys, here. So if you look at the first one, you can see that we have a debot frank FS, guys, so which I'm going to open here. This is my already bot that I'm already coding, guys, inside GitHub, and I'm using my mobile to code it. So one thing I have to do is to click this code, and you can see I don't need to go to my PC to start doing all those stuff. So I can open it on this code space and start coding, guys. Like the both have already been done. So one thing I want you to understand is that Deriv legacy app. Deriv have made a legacy this thing that is going out. So they have built a new Deriv Deriv app that you can actually use. So, but that does not stop a developer from developing your own app. So developing your own app and the rest, guys. So this app we developed, guys, is actually app that you can actually get and actually use it. So inside my GitHub, you can see that there is a code space here that I'm actually going to run, and we are going to be using it to code. So one thing about developer is that you have many options. You have many options to do, guys. It's not only Deriv that you can code if you are a developer, guys. And that's the one thing I just want. I want you to realize that once you're a developer, you're a developer. You can do anything. You can do beyond. And so you can see that the app is running. I just want to show you on my GitHub account so that you can see what I've been doing, and also how you can actually copy that and use on your own. So this is mainly for those people who want to be a developer, and because some of you here, you are not being shown on this thing. Like, they don't show you this thing. It's very hard to see somebody who is going to show you this kind of a thing, guys. I just show it before because it is one of the things that I'm no longer like, I'm not concerned about whoever that some may get angry because I'm doing that for you guys. So but it doesn't matter, guys. So this is my terminal, and I like to keep things simple, guys. So if you look at my packages here, you can see that my packages are here, guys. This is a Deriv packages that you can actually use. And so in case you are requesting for all this thing, I have bought it before. I think I bought this thing a very huge amount when I was starting, guys, and it was so big, guys. And not only that I bought it, but I also learned. I also spent time, with the developers, doing all stuff, guys, and was fixing some of things. So you can see that if you want to run this app right now, you can say that it says that npm run dev, So if you want to start a server, npm build is for generate build. So we have actually, and you can actually generate a test link preview Cloudflare page. So you can actually make it on a Cloudflare, like you can deploy it on a Cloudflare. I request that this one is actually, you can deploy it on a Cloudflare. So so you can see that the app has opened, guys, and right now we can actually type npm install. Let's or npm start. Let's see if you can, the app is still working, because at times when I open this app, it will, like if I want to open it on a code space, it will not run, just because. So let me just npm start. npm start. I think is okay. You can see it's saying that npm build not found. So this thing is telling me that I need to run npm build. So I need to run npm install. So npm install. So that's because anytime I want to start this app on a code space, it will tell me this kind of thing. So that doesn't mean that the app does not working. It's still working. So you can see I'm installing npm right now. You can see it's now installing the npm, guys. So if you can see, so installing the packages, guys. So that's because I opened it in this thing. So installing the packages right now. So you can see it, guys. I'm coding inside my code space. How possible is that, guys, on my phone, on my just smartphone, guys? Can you see it, guys? Just like that, and I'm coding inside my smartphone. Not only that, smartphone, I'm using Android, guys, and I'm not installing anything on my, like, I'm coding inside my phone, guys. What the PC can do, this thing can also do, guys. So it is not a matter of you are not having PC, you are having all this stuff. So whatever the PC is doing, this also does it, guys. So you can see installing it. Global period was no longer required. Yes. So it's starting installing the packages and all those stuff, guys. So note that this code space here you are seeing is a Node.js. Like it also support Node.js. It supports many things, guys. Like you can code many things. PHP, JavaScript, Nest.js, Python, many things, guys. Many language support, many language, guys, on this phone, guys. I can actually do it on my phone, and that's how I started. Like when I didn't know, I didn't use PC by then. Like I discovered this thing, and I was using my phone by then, guys, and it was so nice. And I found it difficult that time, sure, but it wasn't. My own is to be consistency, because I needed phone that time to be consistency. So and I mastered it. So it's still installing. So the packages. Let's wait for it to install the package, and let's see if you can say that this package dedicated to the legacy viewer. So you can see that Deriv is still saying about please see http.org version for other option. You see that Deriv legacy is still having, they are still moving to new version. So legacy app is retiring. That what they said. So and but that doesn't mean that you cannot host our app and still use our app, guys. So if you want to be using this app, guys, you can actually keep on, you know, using it, guys. Keep on using it like this, guys, and that is so simple, guys. That is so simple, and it's so simple that you can actually use. So the version is supported for other option. So let's see what is going on, guys. Let's see what is going on. Okay, so right now it's still moving, guys. It's still moving. We are still coding, guys. So I hope that you understanding something here. And so it's saying that please see stin.org version support for other option. So this thing I just show you how you can able to code. So before this thing, let's go back to Deriv. Let's go to Deriv API and see the legacy they are talking about, guys. Deriv API. So okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. You are existing. Let's go to legacy Deriv API, customize your app. So this is a legacy API. So this is a legacy API. So if I click go to the new, so you can see that they are saying that legacy API is being retired, move to the new Deriv API. We are retiring the legacy API and moving user to new Deriv API. Update your app to keep supporting your client. So they are not trying to stop the legacy app. Legacy app is the one that you have already have that have app ID. So and they are not trying to stop you. So what they are trying is that the um the API, so you can actually move to the new this thing, guys. So that's what they mean, guys. And if you look at here, if you look at API Explorer, you can see that the API Explorer, we can actually, if you click this dashboard, it's going to take me to login. You can see login to account to login. But if I log in right now, it's gonna it's gonna to take me to direct to my account, which is a redirect, so which is not what I need. So because the Deriv this thing have retiring, like the legacy retiring, so the app ID has been updating. So and you can actually uh, connect it so the way it is for the new app ID. So they are making it, they are not stopping it like you can't use the, like we that are developing this thing, we can't use. So I think this thing have already have you have installed. So let me just, you have installed. So npm address npm audit fix. Let me just type in the npm run build npm run build. So let's see if it's going to start. So you can see that it starts running. As I'm telling you guys, I'm doing many things on my smartphone. Can you imagine smartphone that are doing what PCs? There are some of PCs that cannot do this thing, guys. That cannot even install, like handle this Node.js environment. So and you can see my phone is handling it very well. So So that is the knowledge. It's not about you have a PC or you don't have a PC, or you don't have a smartphone, or you need to have a iPhone. Is a this thing, guys. So now let me type npm start. Let's see how it's going to run. npm start. Let's see if the app is going to start, guys. If the app is going to start, we are going to start the app and see how the app has been working. So this is just in how to code. So you don't need to be you can see you have given me an option where to click on my browser. Note that this app is already working. Like, this app is already working. It's working on my GitHub and it's already pushed to my distance. It's already pushed to my Cloudflare. So this thing I'm doing right now is just to tell you. You can see it's telling me that you are about to access the development port that served by someone code space. I will say continue. So all this is because I'm running it on a code space. So and the app is not, so you can see, guys, it's starting. So this thing is just telling you how you can able to build it on your own. So you can see the scratch of it. So all this thing is what a scratch. So I'm doing it just like a scratch. So if I view the app, it's already pushed to my Cloudflare. So I'm not pushing this thing. Like, if I do it now, I'm not going to push it. I think I'm having network issue right now. My network is down, and that's why the app is not starting. You can see network. I'm coming back right now. Let me fix my network. So I think the network is back right now. So let me just refresh this and see if it's going to start. You can see this is how the app. I have many app here, and you can see that it's not. You look at the URL here. It's saying app dot. You can see the app, guys. To tell you that this app is already working, guys. You can see it. This is another app I have. You can see the analysis. This is from GitHub that I'm showing you this thing, guys. So someone can come and trade on this app, guys. And you can see, guys, this is from GitHub. You see it's from GitHub, guys. It's from my GitHub and it's already working, guys. So you can actually code this thing from your mobile device, guys. And this thing is just a code. You can see we have already coded it. Let me go back to my GitHub account. So the app is working fine, and let me just go to. I have this one I showed you here. Is still there. This one is still, like, I have many app, guys. I don't know which one is now because I can't even detect it, guys. So let's go back to my GitHub account. So this is my GitHub account, guys, and you can see that it's working, guys. And as a developer, you need to be very, very careful about all those things, guys. You can see if I go to package right now, if I get to this package, let me go to screen. Let me go to screen here. I'm doing everything possible on my phone, guys, and I'm not using PC, and I don't want to. So if I go to screen SRC, this is where you can find many things in your app. This is where, if you go to exam, this is where you can find your bot, like you can see accumulator, all this. If you go to main.txt, you can see that this is where you can set your app, guys. If you go to pages, this is also where you can actually find all these pages we are seeing on our app, guys. So there's many things in this, so everything that you need to learn if you want to start coding. I'm teaching you the scratch from the coding scratch, guys. So I'm not here to do non-code. On my code space, guys, you can see that this is actually what I wanted. So I can now go back, guys. Let's go back to our this thing, guys, to my repository, and see other app, guys. So this is just what I'm showing you guys so that you can see how I'm able to code inside my smartphone, guys, which is actually possible. And let me go to my repository again, and so we have tested this one, and let me just try this boat. This one that said the boat, from FFD boat, so which is actually also one of my bots. I am going to open it here, and I don't know if this one is working, but yeah, belong I touched it. So I have so much, like in case you need any, you want to request a bot, you can actually reach me, so I can actually make it for you to be access it, and just fuck it. So I could not create a code space, so maybe it's network is having issue here, and I think the network is not okay, so I have to give it some time. Okay, so let's try it again. I think network is back, so, and it's going to work. So this one I'm opening right now is um another app. So it's another app that you see it, guys, and I'm going to opening other ones, guys, to show you how to do this. You have too many running code space, you need to stop some. So this is because I've opened so much code space. Let me go and manage. I know this thing is, it used to happen when I use the desktop, but that's because I open so much more code space, and it's too much, and they don't want too much this opening, so I have to remove the one that is already active. So if you look at here, you will look at that, you will see that there is your code space. Your code space is what? Look at the one that is running. Let's look at the running one, guys. Look at the one that is active. So I have to stop it. Let me stop all these ones. That is stop, delete. Let's delete it, guys. So it will not be a problem to me to opening a new this thing. So this is, if you are a developer, if you're new to a developer, you can also learn from this, and it's also part of the learning, guys. So it's also part of the learning process. So in case your GitHub is saying this, you can actually stop it. This one is already running, so I don't know if I should leave it. Let me just leave it and go to my GitHub again. Let's go back again. Let's go back to repository again. If it does the same thing, that means that my plan is limited, because right now I'm using free. You can see the one that is already running. Let's run and see if it's going to open. Yeah, you can see that it's opening, guys. It does not complain again, guys. So that's the thing, guys. You can see no complaint for this one. So that is the thing that you need to see about this one. No, let's see if this app is going to open and see how you can run it. You can actually leave both FranchFS, but the bot. So let's see how this one is going to work out. So network is still having some issue. Let this please reload video. I hope that you enjoy this, guys, and this is routine. I just want to show you how you can do it on your mobile.